Well, this is a very, very grave matter that concerns children of the slum. Article 53 of the Constitution protects such children. The right to education is a fundamental human right enshrined in the Constitution of this country. This matter went to court. We were not representing these clients, but they have come to us to deal with the appeal of this matter. First and foremost, this school, the High Court found out, but the land where it sits, it is a public land. The title deed is in the custody of the government of Kenya. Based on that finding, how does a private entity build on a property owned by the Republic of Kenya? Number two, government funds have been used to build, to renovate the school. The area member of parliament sitting, the former members of parliament who were there have funded through the CDF projects in that school. If your cameras turn, the two buses are donated by the area members of parliament through the national government, what they call the CDF fund. A private entity cannot be bought school buses by the national parliament. 6 teachers of ECD are in that school. No private entity called a school has ECD teachers paid by the county government of Nairobi. The Teacher Service Commission, the employer for all teachers in both primary and secondary, a national commission, has posted 35 teachers in that school. How do you account that public teachers earning public taxes have been teaching in a private school? There's no way that can happen. We have evidence from when the school started. The dinner case in the Supreme Court has decided that nowadays, to ascertain ownership, you go for the root title. This school, as the board of member of the board says, started way back in 1980s. These conmen are coming which year?
2006.
2006.
2006.
How do you become an owner of a property when we have a root title emanating from 1980s? The High Court has made a decision. We respect the decision, but we completely don't agree with the findings of the High Court. We shall be moving by close of business today under Section 5 2B of the Court of Appeal rules to get stay. This cannot happen. I even don't know if the court has ever visited the place. How will they implement those orders? Anybody who has ever gone to Mukuru kwa Njenga, to Mukuru kwa Ruben, it will not be possible to implement that order, the multitude of Kenyans who will be there to ensure they protect their property. I don't know how that will be done. So we are bringing this as a national discussion, as a public discussion. Where will children of the slum-going citizens ever go to school? If Shadrach Wamboi was here, you could have seen that also children from slums can grow to be advocates and senior advocates of this country. Let us not condemn children from the slum that they do not need to go to school. Let us not think only children from Muthaiga, from Karen, from Kileleshu are entitled to education. The courts were wrong. The court got the facts wrongly, and these citizens here, they are determined to push this matter to get justice for millions of children who have been born, who will be born, and they'll go to those schools. The purported owners were students in that school. Let me have that document. The purported owners were students in that school. In 2006, this was a student in that school. How do you become the owner when you are in your mother's womb? It is ironical. I wish he said the school was owned by his grandfather. By age, he cannot prove that he's the owner of that land. All these matters, we are taking this matter for pro bono, for free, to defend these low-income earners of this country and protect their children. We are appealing to the fourth estate, the media, to be with us in this journey so that this corruption of stealing schools of the slum people will come to an end. Kwa rais nimesema tutawakilisha hawa bure na tutaenda kwenye Court of Appeal ya rufaa na tuwazilishe ombi lao ya kwamba hii shule tangu zamani ni shule ya kina Yahe, wale maskini. Ndio nimesema nizungumze kwa lugha wanayoielewa. Wale mama, wale baba, wale wanaitwa machokora pia wana haki ya kwenda shuleni. Mahakama ya High Court ilikosea kwa kuamrisha mtoto mdogo aliyesoma na kunufaika kutoka ile shule ati sasa yeye ndio mwenye shule. Ile shule ikibatilishwa ikuwe ni shule ya private, hawa watalipishwa 30,000, 40,000 kwa muhula mmoja kuelimisha watoto wao. Hawa watoto hawawezi enda shule. Tutaelekea kutetea haki zao na tumeweza kuonyesha kwa idhibati za kutosha kwamba title deed ni ya serikali na watoto wote wa Kenya ni wa serikali. Naomba asasi zote za serikali na hasa vyombo vya habari viweze kueleza ukweli kwamba hawa ni wa Kenya. Hakuna Mganda hapa, hakuna mtu South Africa hapa, hakuna Rwanda hapa. Hawa ni wa Kenya waliozaliwa katika taifa la Kenya na wana haki watoto wao kwenda shule. Shule wameijenga. Huyu ambaye ni mwekezaji hajajenga ile shule. Kwa hivyo tuwe pamoja. Kesi inakuja Ijumaa, tutakuwa kotini, lakini tutaelekea mahakama ya rufaa hivi leo tuweze kusimamisha utekelezaji wa hizo orders za mahakama ya Constitutional and Human Rights. Unless kuna maswali.
Hatutaki nini?
Hatutaki nini? Hatutaki wanawake. Hatutaki